Most of you who are beginners and you're just starting your online business and you don't really know how to navigate Alibaba.com yet. But I bet you guys did not know this because I actually mentioned it to my longtime friend who's looking to start a business now. And she wasn't aware of this. Alibaba.com has different levels of being a buyer. There are actually 5 levels to being a buyer on Alibaba.com. In each level, you're going to unlock different features. You're going to unlock discounts and so many other things that you can use, such as business credit. For the standard level, you have to have spent $200 to $1,000. And for this level, there's not many perks. There's not many benefits. Then we move up to the silver level and you have to have spent $1,000 to $3,000. For this level, the only thing you really get is a $10 coupon, which is nothing because you're going to be spending hundreds of dollars. And then you go over to the next level, which is gold. Gold is going to be, you have spent from $3,000 to $20,000. So for this level, you get a few other things other than the $10 coupon. You get member prices up to 50% off. 50% off sounds really good. You get quotes with supplier preferences. I was about to say you get the 60-day offer protection, but you don't get that until you get into the platinum level, which is where you have spent over $20,000. So this level, you get everything that the gold member gets, but you get to add a 60-day order protection. And you also, last but not least, you get a special shipment service. So the last level, which is the pro buyer level, this is literally the same thing as the platinum. You just had verified your business and you get a $500 coupon along with the pro customer service. So the goal is to get on the pro because it's always good to have customer service, and that $500 coupon sounds really good. Like this really quick video. I'm making these videos because if I feel like something can help you guys out, something such as credit, like you have a awesome business idea and you can use credit to purchase the products, and then once you start selling the products, you just pay it back with that money you're making from selling the products. It's like a no-brainer, and I think this is going to help a lot of people. At least the people who get to this level. So I think that's a pretty cool feature to have. I mean, it takes for you to spend a lot of money to get to this level, which is actually kind of ridiculous. But what can we do? We got to take what we get and just run with it. So yeah, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Yeah, you guys have a blessed week. Catch you guys on the weekend. Bye guys. Peace and much love.